Yeah, it is totally against the interests of farmers. Even this time, the session, they passed so many bills. Some of them they could have referred to select committees. Instead, they bulldoze them. See, I'm saying indirectly, they are ruining democracy of this country. Now they say these bills are in the interest of the farmers. My only point, if it is in the interest of farmers, why their one minister has resigned from Punjab? Why Deputy Chief Minister from Haryana has threatened to resign? You see, I really don't know why they are closing their eyes. Because everywhere people are agitating, because this is anti-farmers bill. They want to only help all these big guys, big shots, these companies, indirectly they are helping them. They are stopping the mandis, but they are saying, no, we will not stop the mandis. Why they have not included in the bill? See, earlier, people in Haryana, Punjab, they used to give their whatever they produce, they used to sell to mandis. Then after that, it would go to the Angla Food Corporation. Now they are saying, no, we will not stop mandis. Everything will continue. If that's the case, why they are not included in the bill? So, tange mutaite fokot photo pache. I think, देखूनच आयज लोक पयर आमची जाली पूण गोडनातून ना म्हणा वचूंक ना बट आवर पीपल ऑल्सो वी शोड solidarity with the farmers of this country. The Congress party is with the farmers.